Episode for higher GC News. Bima Uya Kwaba Hadia latest and hot news and Aramede Bremo. Enunti Sonya subscribe to channel idea Bomodia say be subscribe. They'll be on say be click a subscribe button na wabele notification where is a new video be upload when the first person I want sa ebeka a video afi uya na wa like video give us a thumbs up na fi share ma Ato Forson na when you be here na wo hu ensemo ekoso ewo Ghana men mu harom afi yehwe ye ensemo abeto ye pono so yenti ye sankomo yenti sansemu ya ekoso yi mu yenti
ebusia no e betu enim say his excellency John Ramani Mahama wo de ensem bia ba betu dwa obi a okura service pass wo kura diplomatic passport won fa emra na ekura ma say passport no wo bu okura bi enya asam keto hey wo mu okura sa passport service passport diplomatic passport enya ize na am say yakatira omo no asobrati o sade yo ye fitadu ebi mfa omo we yo mo say bia say bi nti ena me de me yesofo nti sofo de say targeted that be a political activist political appointees any ade yo mo say bia enu nti kwa me white one to ho new one na aba no yo mo say bia sense one no to one no we yesofo bi nti ana bi nti nya no na bia ya kana se enu a paper ba kwa pie mo enti ebi ti ho ebi ayo madwen so mo fa kọ na me am wondering why some of those people you are not doing any government business. They've not giving you any assignment. Just say go print for no we kura passport. Me say central fee be ekura bi nyase bia because you cannot even have one if you are a presidential correspondent. If you are a presidential or vice presidential correspondent, you will not be given. You won't be given service pass. What the ordinary passport and they too quiet. Now what advantage I want to say? So the president and not vice president they too quiet. Wo be kwa embassy nyasa won kwa hon kwaji evisa o won kwa so light said you be a so light ni be a protocol and the letter better so protocol be di manim na protocol ni mo kwa embassy wo ji obi a passport bom ebi o kra no embassies be o they might not need you there but protocol will send it there and then it will go through the usual process. The letter will have to state what the people are going to do. Now with alacrity and tebia wo de ane de kwa na watwe mienu boso me na maya eno na bia wo de kwa de achi a wo sa to be visa na eno so kra no kwa to de bia the visa na ya specify exactly what you are going to do in the visa refi ba fam passport amba me John Ramani Mahama ekopiem wo UN General Assembly US for that was my first visa US ya be bow so rough that was my opening door to US. In fact, I could say some international travels. It started with John Ramani Mahama. Though I had gone to Egypt, South Africa here, South Africa here, ne di anything. You go Dubai, and yet difficult. Name of say, "Bama visa pass, Germany, Italy." Why? South America say, "Come ya kwa Italian embassy by no cry about say me. Metinho, UK embassy me kwa 3 times a do baby a banning me 10 years. Oh yeah. No UK ya me ko ya. Ko twa slow ya mudidi mate. Say obi ya na dia won tiase ya ne kasatente. 10 years. German embassy ni about so me. Sa Italian embassy na school for na mo je na me na president SRC president. Eni ya kwa di dwuma de me nya president me ka hu bi ne ya. Wo mo di mo bi a me nko a me eni abrante ba ko ne ya fa ma ye. Wo mo ka nyina akoka ho. Enti ni makwa US embassy be twice me about so me. Na me be centronia me outfit. Media house and you assigning me to the presidency. First, now you're Kwaku Annan and yes, Atta's presidency. Me join the presidential press call. Sabran Makachra with father catch them and say, "Ye knew about Quali and they will go to a parliament. Why are Jumana chanting coming on no mum quiet? Now, say about the Sayana, if you should move security near Manema Binia, Yanya Yamaquine, and Tiamana Quine, you'll be a gobi. Timania Quanko, Mira Bram, multimedia. Tabrano, not Dominic. See a boy and a presidential correspondent. Emma Yera John Fifi Atamel. And a Memia vice presidential correspondent. Emma John Ramani Mahama. A more no de China. That was my first trip ever. Outside Ghana, international trip, proper one America. No, a Chinese embassy. Protocol, we actually didn't even enter the embassy. But we were outside protocol, but you had passport, bomb no the rem. I did your passport cry out for my airport to the airport. I did not fly business class. Yeah, today Kwadobi. President Kwade Kwaye no na play ho Kwade Kwaye na. Yes, central for ne wo mu edi etire ni bie ene security we di etire. I never owned a service passport. I've never owned one before. I said central for to me bia mo me. I na mo yes. Ne kroma ebi wo bia wo yan central for service passport. Ma me chi o mo bia won ti ase. There's a difference between diplomatic passport and service passport. One fill passport aya ye bi sound ordinary na said ye diplomatic passport no e ya de wo mu ekọ diplomatic mission any ade ambassador ya be bubu any ade nyina no service passport no ya na ebia MPs ni bi ministers ni bi any chese ebinum ya adwuma bi eso mbo ne ade ma Ghana enti difference kakra wo mu na ya ekura ordinary ye de ordinary passport enu achi e ba ne say na bia ya sobrache wo mu pese wo ne bekọ I can tell you for a fact say asofo bi wo Ghana ha wo mu kura passport ni bi kroma asofo ni bi wo ha wo mu kura sa passport ya me bo so wo mu kura ordinary passport
what dey then
wo kura ordinary onu a
what dey then
wo nsuma ban
what dey then
wo minister wo ambassador
what dey then yeah what dey then
as well as of gatekeepers of the land. They are gatekeepers of the land. They are gatekeepers of the land.
And we give them the impunity to use those passports to do the things that they ought not to do.
Some girlfriends have passports, service passports in this country. Some girlfriends. Now, our passport, no do airport, why will treatment is different. Sometimes, if most of the time, you will be picked up by that embassy, Ghana's embassy, wherever it is outside Ghana, to what you are going to do wherever you are. Makosa UN assembly no once, but mako another one women and children they call for special needs. Otiko afisa jaba de dem call. Na me wo me visa dada. Pikiti ya to ma me na mko bi. Ekoye adwuma. Eno kra ho nsensem. Otiko frame na MPP for kasa eno wo se de ben ya NDC ni na me enti wo yen Centronia. When they are for NDC MPP to kwaye wadwuma. FNDC ni MPP.
I care less.
If you know your work, you know your work. Yeah. And this person will deliver. What has it got to do with political party?
I care less. Who hasn't been colored in this country?
Who cares?
I don't want for color.
I don't know Pomala and right before a year election, I'm MPP ni. And then yes me NDC ni. In fact, before election we did the MPP crown. Now a bid me who concerned to the flag bearer. And in the team send me NDC.
Normal.
I am associated to the first lady, former first lady, and they first lady.
Now there will be
your association with
Nka.
Obi pewasem. In fact, the woman saw me first time who me no say no girl, me in the spirit keleke. Enti me ba no no. Eno ntika me wunuane me anka obepu agu aho.
First lady.
Wunuane me anka obepu.
First lady pemasam.
Me na me ka kira wo.
Nti mompo.
Oh, I told you be ho me na me ka press team ho for first lady po. They don't actually have something like that.
Yeah, what year off.
But to kwan be a first lady si ko program once na wa ya ma feel bese me enko. To ma ka say dey be me enko met na fie. Enti dey letter abanie eri enko.
Yeah. Hwe ekroye yetimie wa nkrofo ya sobrache
yeah
na American nyina ekosiru de there was a release. It was explicit that sekita diplomatic passport and our service passport are issued by the then Akufo Addo led government. Fako. It was a simple instruction that on the 25th yeah, the D-Day deadline. Abba, some no see.
Emma letter.
Emma another letter. Abba.
Then Abba
now.
Time on swing. Deadline in see. Am I 25th on swing?
Yeah, ebe kai da ne da. Embra yer kasan me kad de. Ebi mo be chance na what the passport re den.
Wa mo di tu kwan.
I said it here.
Ebi di be tu kwan adwane.
And I said it here.
What the passport di be adwane.
I said it here.
Service passport diplomatic what di be adwane.
And Abadina wako trigger into this letter
has come out.
Now, there's the letter. Recall of diplomatic and service passport. Accra, 15 January 2025. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs wishes to inform that it has been directed by the Office of the President to recall the diplomatic and service passport issued during the tenure of the previous administration of the underlisted category of officials. First one list because they wanted you to bring it.
You know yourself.
On your own accord.
You yourself, you know yourself.
You know it.
You can service passport, the diplomatic passport. Ta ukura bia unim. Ebi die wu, ebi die nwi. ebidie so nwi
asobra chinti nkrofan fanko into say edimbo abem edimbo no nyi former ministers and spouses
do you minister o yire kwa
minister biara
nti wo ye minister wo na wo so moman wo yire passport no kwa na service passport na adwuma ne sei ono no passport e kwa no wo kura service na adwuma ne sei so wo kunu ye minister.
Let me
Ghana. Oh,
yeah, education kakribi. Yeah, education kakribi. Yeah, ka diplomatic na service passport or benading. A diplomatic passport is issued to government officials who travel abroad for official business and represent their country, while a service passport is issued to government officials who travel abroad for official business.
Asa
spouse na dem business.
Asa no na metremu asa. So no ebia fa na ambassador wo kwa asa nyo no nko na obekọ wo okuna woni ni kunu bekọ wo wayire ne wo ma wo mu nyina bekọ because to be ntu ba ko ase enya wo mu aka wa ha no obe ne abobra mfie nan entu oni o mu bekọ obi wo ho a wo made ofie obi wo ho a wo house boy wan bla 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 ne enko eni ade wo de ne bekọ entu obi abaya soma ne so wo kwa ya adwuma on behalf of the state. Now when you know okura bi no
former ministers and spouses enti
wanya diplomat wanya se bia
wanya diplomat
wanya ambassador.
See
minister nya ambassador.
The difference no, if an ambassador is going, the ambassador is going to stay there and represent the president. Enti sabi ehwo be ye ne tena bia
enti ni yiri ye first lady wo ho
ne yiri ye first lady wo sabi body no be firewood.
Yes.
It is said
before.
Oh yeah. All you can for 4 years.
Oh yeah.
So bet no 4 years. You Germany. You expect him to go there or her to go there because there's an ergogenic age.
And now ye now what dream my the dead no what dream what to me dream here. Also here Ato Pabuano here. Oh, but that's the truth. It's very important because you see the energy in which you work and it has an if worry different.
Yeah,
obi a worry who na and also sebe so or ye vedia who na nantem ne ntare hye mu a who Jimmy kakraka
so
ye nyati me ko se zra utumu se na bibia gira so no me na me ka kira
na ne yenko ha na me na me ka kira kobo wati me ku ana wo hwe na wo hwa
oh wati atra
na kwa me
oh wo se
na kwa
me
mpendifo
kwa pepelifo
ayo enti ya for me
yes
a minister sebe minister okodi eyi obosoma
Gabby
kwano ko oye djuma no ro kwa koye
3 days no aba
no aba
1 week now minister crowd to be tira ho tese na wa djuma wa ha o te dey
spouses
kwa oye diplomats mama passport
former members of parliament irrespective of political affiliation enti former MPs
ni bi ekra service passport
mini problem
ebi wo ha ye ma won
wo ye minority wo be
say ebi wo ha ye ma won
minority kada minority na ye hu da wa ma na fa kwaji din ye ma. Now the next one, former members of the Council of State and Spouses.
MPs no kra nya ne fe because ebi wo mo ko ECOWAS parliament.
They
go and work.
Yeah.
To the bia international assignment be because
they need to go.
Finance ministry. Yeah, kwaje busia bi they want the understanding to committee na so am kwakọ
you need to go and
yes.
Exactly.
Enya fe na wo
no.
Because some of the passport cry you need to go to the embassies.
Yeah.
Before you go.
Ayesa won sanka.
Ayesa
won sanka. Yeah. What's the former members of Council of State and Spouses? Council of State members and spouses.
Council of State now musia how many times in a year?
Embrace musia 4.
President dia futu kitua bi wo mo so aye bibia in consultation with council in consultation with ebi wo ha ya de ba no kra wanfa.
Who president yamani bia wanfa.
Eyi say wanfa. Eyi wanfa o.
Wo fa bi wo to bi twe.
Mama nko menim.
Wo fa bi wo to bi twe.
Mama nko menim na mo de amedi mo echi a. Anwe ebe ko enim. Former retired justices of the Superior Court and Lower Court, I agree. Former regional ministers, metropolitan, municipal and district chief executive officers of state institutions, chairs and members of board, I agree. They will go outside and do job for the country. Officials of National Cathedral Project, hey!
As one go soliciting funds.
Sasikan wine. Yeah? Sasikan wine.
Hey, no.
Where is that money?
And for the plan, you have for the diplomatic passport. Yeah, quite 58 million.
One more this cab.
One more in France, yeah, one quiet fundraising.
One more buy.
The Omunya, will be someone some yanko. Contributions were more crying, you'll be Sayanka.
It is Sikano, not Sikano.
You'll be Sayanka. Say, I, what the idea change, I mean, he has all but no, sir. When no, yeah, and to one say who we should be accountable. And say because you see, yeah, Okuja to the course, Rajano. Sraj Becca, can say a year of Victor Cusis of Penny Papa. Yes, I'm about a medinine, Mr. Dolo. Gabby, Afan and Sassy. Emma Papa Betram say, oh, boy, I buy what's
so we can know about Mamma.
Now, more pie, be now buying this kind of man who will be no fire. The Babs, and almost the man, and only the woman the man who could the torture with Gabby Afan and Sassy. A question, no, a bad day, send no crass and I was an woman cratan.
Oh, okay.
I buy a jmo.
Okay.
No, but in the you.
Okay.
And yes, me bano, Nebia, and Nebia will be, you know. Now, only be now, only be say, I was a man. Now, my ball was here about 500. Was here, the man with dollars for a dollar me bag no and come be beach. Was here, my boy,
Kwame Fabra,
a who he has a Bacasso, me back, Churocrat, Ato, so I bush and come. Yeah, and no crown and some of her to the beer. I some many. Yes, Mammy, dancing. I teach him and yet didn't not buy a Juma, yeah, none can ya buy a who got in movie. Now to me about what's your pepper national. All them say, yeah. What will be in the air cassa, sa passport to Omunya be. Omunya be. One more discover. So, one more day now, you named the Omunya and the
diplomatic passport.
No, the diplomatic passport. Every Omunya, I buy negotiation. So, a national project. It was a national project that was not supposed to be something that I knew the purpose also.
Yamin fire and burning.
Amen. Next.
Yeah, you let move on. And from the National Cathedral, there is another group, and this group, former political ambassadors, independent, which I agree. Okay. Because ambassador no, or Cathedral Chrome Sabi ambassador, yawo oti Chrome hanara, or we be an independent. One away at the moment, maybe I want to cook no ni eifu. So. For them,
okay. Shay, businessmen and entrepreneurs.
Na
me entrepreneur.
Yes, businessmen and entrepreneurs.
Every crabby.
Not to us. Woman, the mom.
Every what?
Me businessman.
Na me entrepreneur can say pa.
One more day.
Me entrepreneur can say pa. Me what business?
I own one day.
Pizza business. Who ma me na mo bi. Yes. Me said I call Italy because I wanted to know how they do pizza. So met me I pizza.
Yeah. Omu good ma.
What I know omu good no. But you see,
is that to be my
there will guess no todo don't I can't be cry them guy. What them thing? No, they exploit that particular thing when it comes to who they give.
Yes,
before
businessmen and entrepreneurs.
Ideally,
how do you identify?
Ideally, yes, I will be business persons and entrepreneurs, diplomatic passport.
Shasefi the meaning of diplomatic passport. Listen to the meaning. Ose diplomatic passport, you know. And your passport, you issue my government officials who travel abroad for official business and represent their country.
Okay, sir.
Businessman.
So let's say
investor.
I'm a Ghana. I'm a wine.
Ghana.
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 And the CEO of GIPC, CEO of Ghana wine, CEO of wine. I buy business.
No, businessman.
Businessman. Or for wine interest. For whose interest?
For
Ghana's bay interest.
For Ghana's interest.
Ghana bay interest.
Walk pay investor. Walk
are you?
Siawa Japan say. Siawa Japan cried your demand in Yahweh. Siawa Japan.
Dingy.
No, Kwabena Juma will be a bien said ya. That's what China. Nana,
I think
so.
No,
I think Vietnam. And yeah, a more business no person de ba.
Oh, Nana Oka Sabi. Nana.
Oh, na me ka ho ba na me na bibi nti.
Nana but say kind of cray. Say if per the meaning now. Or the my look,
they don't have no business.
Of course.
They have no business.
So me entrepreneur. Me entrepreneur. My be me business. Yeah. Me me business. Na say me person me too kwan kwa monania.
Yes.
I was say buy me diplomatic passport.
If you are able to prove
that what
set your business ebia and unemployment ya can mebunu na mo ebia o ba be factory kese na o ko ene akope year partner e wo China so they say Kennedy Agyapong and the business partner
any ebe go diplomatic
no
partner was South Africa.
That is it. So it is stated and the emphasis is
the truth is that
government officials going to perform official duties.
That no Mahama ye dey call China ye any businessman koi
Nana me say so when businessman kwa you so prerogative say probably obetimi akwa secure
what higher ebia won't secure
but the truth of the matter is adie no asem na omo kano it is for government official
and that is businessman bringing money government
businessman in government official when you government official you are never appointee of government
any diplomatic passport obey issue okoma
me were interest on I think I agree say my businessmen and women
I don't agree
footballers
I don't agree.
This is my opinion.
Okay,
they said they are working. Obi to say solo. You are a business person.
He is. Just say a fan. Say what on nipa.
Okay, what on players? Why when the police wait to have a fan? Solo on Tony pass who move.
Me Tony pass.
No players. Asante.
Or a football agent. Nana. Solo Tony pay. Say. We bought more than employing Crawford.
Yes.
So Edmo and no one.
Yes.
There were other groups of people more.
And yes, with foreign a person.
Yes. And it says solo say.
Yes.
Of course, Sweden. Ako broker deal.
Na say or visa na betre ntweso na bebre na ma mbabu na wa ha nya
bia. I was say the man. Nano or top play bi. No more per document. Or one neneti. Be 3 months no. Broni ni see from ba yo pitan krata kakre. Or the 3 days no. Avanten was Sweden or bobo say.
What that
me so person. Yeah. No me ba oh here diplomatic passport na man one hand in tema. Ideally.
In the interest of who?
In the interest of who?
Representing Ghana.
No.
Thank you. Because I play the better number one blaster.
If that is how we are supposed to go about.
Players are supposed to have service passport.
Yes. Any diplomatic passport, not service passport.
Blasters players.
Kakraka ho jaja na we abuafu mu ko bika.
Next one.
Religious and traditional leaders. Who be Sammy? Almost say who be Sammy say
okay, ebi omo ko bomb pai wo Israel Ghana.
Gabby Ato Forson. It is a very big chief we do that no say one back there was negotiation in Asante
Otunfo here diplomatic passport any problem. Because
who club in the Ameyaw no.
Nana I am for say I am for chenye look Otunfo
ya mama come in
what I say
religious bodies no me pacho me pese me wan mu so ye wan mo
kesi a wo ba ma
nana Kweku Annan say man no
yanka ko
religious traditional onye Kweku yi okọ nsema obi aya ne shrine ya ne shrine Akitwa bi wanzema
amankwa shrine
and gidigidi
o gidigidi say
ka me catch mo asofo a ekura sa diploma
ya ni mu omo
entesi ya
me challenge wuni
service passport
me say ya gene seven me mitimi shankom wo ema amampanimfo me shankom amampanimfo ya jimidi
ono ne dia
no problem
nipa bebre shankom
omo nji
enti wo pa wo de ma ho na obi amodi but me atre baby asole ne wa
na wo pasem o pasem
ma yesi heya kakre ya peso ya
unim se asofo mpanyimfo ne bi
na asore ne kwan ne da he me pese me kobo
ebinum associate ebinum to political party bi
of course
edu omodi ana wo omo ho no yete
oh yeah
Ghana how person of asofo mpanyimfo 5
me hu ba kon we
you know 5 Ghana omo ye purpose of charismatic
o imagine de no
purpose of
onu say ya gene de
omo beje
pa
and security pastors and
no. Ghana Police Service womu asori dan na esi hoi na so mo ko peacekeeping na so for ka ho a e wo se so for no ko bompa ye ma soja for no diplomatic passport
na when the Cathedral say police for ko peacekeeping womu kra service passport
omo ni bi o
omo ye mo
One what the normal passport now they former government functionaries.
Wamu ana ebia aban da etwem no wamu ana omu ye edwuma ewo aban ni mu ebia we otaye
fansa John Dramani Mahama
yeah
time na wo opposition
na bi nyo fansa say na opposition
na me
obi wo ho a table no yakonya wo Jubilee
Debbie
with that portfolio
osif
na no table no fansa
good
one what table ho ne yakonya wo fansa
functionary
security personnel ho no
omu ye edwuma
and then Kofi Buachi ayabo ne din
yeah I former government
director of operations
our presidency
Yebeman
any ye kan
enti
one say cry there with portfolio
ya ntimeba
na dey be wo Jubilee no portfolio
bawa muktagri so ono no ye Mukhtar so okay
onu say o baba foreign minister
Yebeman we
onu say o baba foreign minister
transport na foreign
yeah ebi per foreign chintanchi
Yebeman education
so ebi per foreign chintanchi
Yebeman
education of
Yebeman education
obeye
baya enti former government functionaries no wona ena akokora nti ho no wona nam no
former president kasane
o man pere asem no hokin
na obi di yes awonya kwa
mbapa ya akokora
da bi omo from
mbapa nya 8
o man no fitwe den
mbapa nya 8
na papa bi wo London handed he was jogging
onya akokora
da bi wonya
ahwanya
akokora ya bisiriwa
akokora no de ono person ofere no ho akokora
na old man ni twe den
openi
okay openi wona na wo nyi wo di atrentwe won office wono wonyina
say be an security bodyguards ne ade of course they are functionaries
us for them because when he's moving
he had security that was not ono ane omo na yenya
specifics wo ma
na
specifics
so kwa wo badem wo yo
me fa last one
change
all other persons holding official passport not currently serving in any official capacity for the state or otherwise would know any
eno de say ya jitum
eno na mesi minimum omo no
yo waiting for winning and someone abeto yepono so make say so we can subscribe to channel idia but more than say we subscribe we say hadia latest and hot news and kwa era me de bro I think we are like video no give us a thumbs up not fi share ma ofofro so na we be here na wo hu someone ekoso wo Ghana me mu harum also betimi achere wadwen afa ye nsem we nyira ho wo comment box ni mu obati minka biom in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.